I say to my students that freedom is the most important thing in a person's life. And sometimes you need to fight for this freedom. Many of my students are living with their sisters, brothers, and elderly grandparents. They haven't seen their parents for years.
Chibati!
Our school is one of the bright spots in the village. It's newly built and refurbished. All the students love to come to school. We try to make the children forget about their family problems. And this is the reason my lesson starts with fun. Our school is very small, but project-based learning has helped increase the number of students.
As soon as I get to school, I feel the colour, beauty and atmosphere. I feel motivated and happy to come to school.
We strengthened the school body to make it like Parliament, and the headmaster and school administration are the executive body. When the students decide to make a new school rule or new behaviour code, the headmaster is obliged to execute it. If a person becomes an active citizen, they care not only about themselves, but for the community, the school, and the whole village.
Es Vladimer Apkhazava.
Es სოფელ Chibati სკოლა.
სოფელ Chibati-დან.
I am so proud and happy that Lado is with us. He's not just a teacher. He raises awareness of the students and teaches them about life after school.
Vladimer Apkhazava.
I think he's born as a teacher, like Mozart or Freddie Mercury were born as musicians. His motto is child first of all. He cannot pass by unhappy child. He always tried to help them.
I'm trying to prepare these boys for the future, to become full members of society. They need warmth and love. I try to give them that. I'm happy to see a number of my students fight for their freedom, fight for their future, to hold the torch and work in order to give freedom to others.